Located at the very heart of Hyderabad in Lakdikapul stands Lotus Children Hospital, an epitome of excellence in children's and women's healthcare. The hospital is equidistant from all parts of the city and easily accessible by road or by MMTS system. Commenced in November 2006, this 150-bedded exclusive hospital for children and women is a masterpiece in design, concept and construction. The ambience has been specially created to cater to young children's needs. As you enter the lobby, you are greeted by smiling animals familiar to children. The vast expanse resembles a forest with fantastic themes. The hospitality of the staff is warm, welcoming and excellent. The lobby leads into a long corridor designed on a space theme and ends in a space lounge. Specialist consultation rooms are individually designed into a variety of concepts. Senior children's specialist doctors with decades of experience behind them, some with expertise abroad in the UK and USA, provide consultancy services for all childhood ailments. Children are offered toys to play with while the doctors counsel and explain the diagnosis to their parents. Themes on the walls excite children who love to touch and feel familiar shapes. While parents wait for their children's appointments, kids are occupied with the slide games, rocking chairs and painting palettes. A floor below is tastefully designed to provide the complete range of diagnostics for children. The corridor itself has a bullet train theme. As you enter the radiology department, you are greeted by mermaids in the X-ray room. A specially designed CT scan room resembles an igloo. The cool blue and white colors soothe and calm the child while their scans are performed. Highly specialized laboratories function round the clock, providing critical support and diagnostic information to doctors and nurses caring for sick children admitted in the intensive care units and floors. Every test needed for the child is available here, and the laboratory has the distinction of NABL certification, a benchmark of quality, reliability and high standards. The 24-hour emergency room is fully equipped to receive sick and critically ill children with both medical and surgical conditions. With diagnostic testing and radiology located across the corridor, ease of transfer of samples and reporting is greatly speeded up. The intensive care units for newborns and children is located in the first floor, fully equipped to deal with newborns suffering from life-threatening diseases. Very premature babies are cared for here, and sick newborns requiring high-risk surgery are routinely looked after with compassion, love, and utmost care by specialized nurses and doctors. The Children's Intensive Care Unit is vast and caters to serious illness in children beyond 1 month of age. Advanced life support equipment is readily available with senior children's specialists and nursing staff to save lives. With the full backing of specialists in children's heart, brain, kidney, liver and other specialities, the sick child receives the highest quality of medical care, enhancing survival and rapid recovery. Patient rooms in the floors are uniquely designed with a variety of colorful themes for children. Fully air-conditioned and equipped with the flat panel televisions, refrigerator and clean bathrooms, each room is a home away from home to the child and family to stay while expert treatment is provided until recovery and discharge. Themes vary from Tom and Jerry to Hanuman to Shrek and Castle. Cheerful nurses keep children entertained with toys and books in the specially dedicated play area while they recover from illness. Specialist children's doctors round regularly and examine children and order the right tests and right treatment to aid their speedy recovery. The Children's Heart Center at Lotus Children's Hospital is the very first such center in India and has the unique distinction of being the only one located in an exclusive children's healthcare facility. An entire floor is dedicated to children's heart surgery and post-operative recovery intensive care units. Being the first of its kind, the Heart Center has established a reputation in the country as one of the best with an excellent track record of complex heart operations being performed successfully. The Children's Heart Center at Lotus Children's Hospital has an advanced cardiac cath lab with post-cath recovery areas. Babies and children with holes in the heart are carefully treated by placing special closing devices through a vein from the groin right across the hole. This requires specialized skills by the children's heart specialist or cardiologist, and the procedure is performed under anesthesia. Valuable information about the structure and function of the child's heart can be obtained by cardiac cath. Children who undergo complex heart surgery are provided the highest degree of medical and nursing care in the post-operative ICU until discharge home. Round-the-clock emergency ambulances fully equipped with life support machines, newborn incubators and fluid infusion pumps retrieve sick newborns and children from all over the city and from the neighboring states of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Long-distance critically ill transports are the specialty of Lotus Children's Hospitals. We are pioneers in children's transport medicine from 2004. Distinguished guests and visitors from across the world have graced Lotus Children's Hospital. An important dignitary from America, the First Lady of Minnesota, visited us from the USA. Academic excellence has been the hallmark of Lotus Children's Hospital. Teaching programs for doctors training to become children's specialists, newborn specialists, and children's intensive care specialists are available. Young doctors from all over India train in our Center of Excellence before building their careers in India and abroad. We recently commenced the Women's Medical Center, a unique center for women's health right within our premises. Expert women's specialist doctors provide consultancy for a variety of women's health problems and round-the-clock delivery and cesarean section services. Specialized clinics are conducted for women and adolescent girls catering to their unique health needs. With deliveries being conducted here, the mother and her newborn baby are safe and are provided the highest standards of care. A team of women's health specialists with anesthesists and ancillary staff provide dedicated care with compassion and empathy. Our second branch of Lotus Children's Hospital is located in Kukatpalli, located on a main arterial road opposite JNTU. It is easily accessible by road. With over 30 beds for children and newborns, it is a busy center catering to the vast population of children in that area. Outpatient services, inpatient services, and surgical services are provided round the clock. A 24-hour ambulance services provides retrieval services for sick newborns and children. The hospital has a pharmacy and laboratory that function round the clock.